Good morning, friends. Do you love laddus? This laddu is mixed with nuts and seeds. Actually, it is a nice protein dense supplement of minerals and omega-3s. Today, my mom will share how to make this laddu. First, put 100 grams of sesame seeds to roast. When a good aroma is coming, put off the flame and keep it aside. Sesame seeds are rich in protein, vitamins, mineral, antioxidant, phosphorus, magnesium, and iron. Now, put 100 grams of flaxseed to roast. After 2 to 3 minutes, you should also keep it aside. Flax seeds are emerging as a superfood as flaxseed contain high omega, lignans and fiber. Now add 50 grams of almonds to roast. Almond is packed with vitamin E, which is good for skin and hair. Almond also contains magnesium, potassium, calcium and phosphorus, which is good for bone health. After complete cooling, you should grind all of these. Now add 150 grams of jaggery in the kadai. Add a little bit of water to liquid it. Constant stir it to avoid stick in the bottom. Check the stickiness and then add all the grinded ingredients. Pour it very little at a time and stir it. Mix it very well and then add 1 teaspoon of ghee. You can also add black pepper powder and dry ginger powder. After cool down, you can make laddu with your hand like my mom is doing. After age of 30, bone density may decrease and increase the risk of fracture and breaks. So, eat this laddu one per day in your daily life. Don't have it if you have any allergy to any of the ingredient. Now, our laddu is ready to eat. Any of the age group can take 1 laddu per day. It is very tasty and healthy. Try it and comment us how is it. Keep it in a glass container and store it in the fridge. If you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.